After we finish our video, because the university only accept the YouTube link, so we have to upload our video to the YouTube. Okay, so first thing, make sure you have the account for the YouTube, then go to create new upload video. Okay, and here drag our video to here and just tap the title for your artwork, so you can name anything. Okay, like me, I just type Ian's work 2. Okay, and you can type something to introduce your video and just go to next and go to next and this one choose publish. And make sure you can copy it later or right now. Okay, this is the film link. Okay, and that's it, right? So you're supposed to show up here, Ian's work, right? And you can copy it here, or you still can add the title and your explanation. Okay, so that's it.